Hello everyone, it's good to see you back again. Today we are going to make meatballs, so let's get right into it. It's simple and I'm sure you'll enjoy. So you are going to take your low-fat minced meat. This is half a kg. You add salt into it. Then you add cumin powder. Most preferably use 1 teaspoon depending on the quantity of your beef. Then if you'd like, you add in 1 teaspoon of black pepper. As per your preference, you can add chili powder. I like chili, I like pili pili, so it depends on what you want. Add ground garlic. I've used 3 cloves of garlic. Then add in your finely chopped onions. Give it a good mix, make sure everything is incorporated. You can use your clean hands. Some people prefer to use breadcrumbs or eggs, but if you don't have, don't worry, you can still cook meatballs like this. Add coriander, which is finely chopped, then mix. Now, you should mold the meatballs. Then now you prepare your pan so that we can make the stew. So add in oil, make sure it's hot enough, not too hot, and add in your onions. We want to cook our onions until they turn golden brown, very brown. Brown onions make thick stew and it makes the food tasty. Now you can go in with garlic. These are 2 cloves. Let the garlic cook for 1 minute. Be sure not to burn the garlic because it's easily burnt. Now I've blended my tomatoes. I've used 3 tomatoes. So after blending, you add into the onions. Let the tomatoes cook for about 2 minutes, like so. Then now we add in our meatballs. You can add some water, or if you have beef stock, you can use that. So I covered mine so that it cooks evenly. Make sure to keep turning. I usually give my meatballs about 30 minutes so that the beef cooks properly. I like it well made. So after 30 minutes, your meatballs are deliciously cooked. Simply, you can garnish with coriander, however you like. Then you can choose to serve with white rice. It goes well with white rice. And enjoy your meal. This is me serving. I was salivating. Thank you for watching and be sure to try this. You will surely enjoy. It's easy, it's simple, and you will like it. Please do subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks, bye.